If you would like to make a change to your menu board, whether it's a price, a description, or something like that, or maybe you want to rearrange how the categories are listed, the first thing you want to do if you want to make a change to a price or an item is you go to Menu Management once you're logged into your admin, and then from there you go to Items. Once you're in there, you will see all of your categories, and you can click on each one to have them expand to see which items are within each one. You can change the order of each one of these items if you choose by simply grabbing one and moving it. You can also edit the name, description, and pricing by simply going and clicking the edit button that is to the right of each item. In here you'll be able to change the name if you choose, which category it's assigned to, the description, as well as the pricing. You can also upload an image per each item if you choose. Once you are done making your changes, you simply click Save, and it will make the change automatically to your menu board. Once you are done making all your changes and you want to view your menu before taking a look at it or posting it to your actual TV monitor, go back to Home Admin and then click Menu Boards. From here you want to go to Manage Slides. Your slides are actually the images that show on your monitor, so that's where you'll be able to preview what they look like. So if you want to look at your starters slide, right here we have it right here, so you want to edit it, you click the gear icon and you can see some settings for this particular slide. But if you just want to preview it, you simply click Preview and it will pop open a window and you can see what it currently looks like. There are some customizations you can do here fairly easily. If you want to change, let's say, the background of this particular slide, you can change it by selecting an image. You just want to make sure the ratio is relevant to your monitor size, which typically is 16 by 9 for all TVs. So just want to make sure your image is also high enough quality so it looks good. You can add scrolling text to the top or the bottom of each slide. You just type in whatever text you want right here and that'll scroll across the bottom or the top depending on which item here you choose. You can also choose how many columns you have on a particular slide. In this case we use 3. You can do 1 through 4. For this particular menu it just made sense since we have 3 different categories and they all kind of fit nicely in 3 different columns. You can also change the size of the text for 5 different options depending on how much content you have. You may want to adjust things. Let's say you add another item or two, and you might need to make the text a little smaller to make sure it fits on your monitor. You also have the option to toggle on and off category descriptions as well as your item descriptions. If you are happy with your preview and everything looks good here, you simply go back to Menu Board Home, and if you want to post this to a monitor, you click on whatever monitor you're using. In this case we were working on the starters one. We want to grab the link from here, and this is what you'll type into your web browser. You also have some options for each monitor. You can have more than one slide show. In this case we just have the one and it's just showing all the time, so we just have one over here. But you also have the option to have additional slides per a monitor and just have them change at either certain times or on a constant rotation. In addition to that, you can also do pop-up ad settings, which will pop up every so often depending on your settings here on this monitor. So you have choices there as well. So once you are happy with what you have here with this particular monitor, remember this is the link you use for this one, and this is for your starters. So this will be your TV monitor called Starters, and so you know that will be displaying your starters menu.